Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tidal, stream high quality music step by step clearly. Open the Tidal app on your phone or tablet, or go to tidal.com on your computer. Make sure your internet connection is working so the login page loads correctly. On the app, tap the login button on the welcome screen. On the website, click login at the top right corner of the page. Choose the login method you used when you created your Tidal account. If you signed up with email, select email to continue. Type your email address carefully and check for spelling mistakes. Enter your password exactly as you created it, paying attention to uppercase letters. Tap or click login to access your account. If you signed up with Apple, choose continue with Apple. Confirm your Apple ID and complete Face ID, Touch ID, or password verification if asked. If you signed up with Google, choose continue with Google. Select the correct Google account from the list or enter your Google credentials. If you signed up with Facebook, choose continue with Facebook. Enter your Facebook login details and approve permissions if prompted. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your email address and request the password reset link. Open your email inbox and find the message from Tidal. Click the reset link and create a new strong password you can remember. Return to the Tidal login screen and sign in with your new password. After logging in, allow any requested permissions such as notifications if you want alerts. Go to Settings in the app to confirm your account is logged in correctly. Find the audio quality or streaming settings to enable high, hi-fi, or max if available on your plan. If you do not see high quality options, check your subscription tier in account settings. If login fails, double-check your email and password and try again slowly. If the app keeps failing, close it completely and reopen it, then try to log in again. If problems continue, update the Tidal app to the latest version from your App Store. As a last step, contact Tidal support through the help section with your account email and issue details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.